Now if you want, you can sync the whole calendar on your Gmail account by clicking on the bottom right corner, the Google Calendar option. On clicking the option, you will require to log in with your Google account. If you are already logged in, it will show a pop-up, add this calendar. Click on add option. Instantly, our calendar will sync directly in your Google account. You will also receive direct updates whenever we do in our calendar. After syncing the calendar with your Gmail account, you will have to navigate to Settings menu option on the top right corner. And in case you have closed the tab, then you may again log on to calendar.google.com with your account. In the Settings menu, go to Settings and you will be able to see on the left hand side General Settings. Scroll down to Instate Regulatory Calendar and click on the same. You will see all day event notifications. Here you can set notifications and emails as per your requirements, be it one day before at 9 am or any days or any time, as you like it and as you choose it to be. This will be followed for all the events, so be wise in selecting the reminders or notifications to avoid unnecessary disturbance. In case you want to sync only particular dates, you may not subscribe to the calendar and just copy that particular date. Now right below all day events, you will be able to see other notifications. You can update none or email option in the below given categories to get email notifications in case of any updates. New event means an event is added to the calendar. Changed event means an event is changed on the calendar. Cancelled event means an event is cancelled in the calendar. Event responses means guests respond to an event on this calendar. Daily agenda means you will receive a daily email with the agenda for this calendar. Now for all these, you can choose the option none or email as you like it. If you choose email, which we strongly recommend, you shall get a daily agenda of all the due dates in the first hour of the day. This will help you to plan accordingly. Now just close the settings by clicking the arrow on the top left, and your calendar is configured to be used on any of the devices logged in with your respective Gmail ID. This calendar will also get updated in your Google Calendar application automatically within some moments of configuration. You may need to refresh the app once it's required.